good morning, good afternoon, or whichever time you're watching this clip. Welcome. Today, at this time, we'll look at margin of safety. CVP analysis can help managers assess risks. One measure of risk is called a margin of safety. The margin of safety measures how far sales can fall before losses occur and is the what? Difference between the level of planned sales and the break even point. Notice I make it bold. So margin of safety is what? The difference between is really a measure. It measures the margin of safety measures how far sales can fall before losses occur and is the difference between the level of planned sales and the what? Break even point, meaning the minus. The margin of safety can be defined in either units or what? Dollars. Margin of safety in units is equal to planned unit sales minus what? Break even unit sales. Margin of safety in dollars is equal to planned dollar sales minus what? Break even dollar sales. Remember that the break even in units of the for the vending machine example was originally what? 6,000 units, and the break even in dollars was originally $90,000, right? $90,000. Remember. For example, if Amy Winston in our vending machine example predicts sales volume of 80,000 units or $120,000, so our prediction for our budgeted or predicted unit sales is what? 80,000 units, not dollars, sorry. 80,000 units, right? Or $120,000. The margin of safety in units is what? 20,000. And the margin of safety in dollars is what? 30,000. Here are the workings for that now. So margin of safety units equal what? Planned unit sales, which is 8,000 minus what? Break even unit sales, which is what? 60,000 units, which give you what? 20,000 units. Margin of $15 equal to $120,000, which is what? Planned dollar sales minus what? Break even dollar sales, which is 90,000. You give you what? $30,000. Alright? The larger the margin of safety, the less likely is that volume will fall to the point where the company has an operating loss. That is below the what? Break-even point. Conversely, a smaller margin of safety indicates greater risk of incurring a loss. We're going to continue looking and look at also contribution sales ratio, which we kind of went through before previously, but we're going to just finish it off now. The contribution sales ratio is the contribution to the income of the company that each sale of a product has. So how much each sale contribute to the company then? Income. Essentially, it is a factor or percentage that determines how much money the company earns for every extra dollar sold. Look at this example now. What is the contribution sales ratio where a selling price per unit of $99, a variable cost per unit of what? $66, and a fixed cost of what? $495,000 are given. The details of the question are as follows. The directors of Upholland Limited are planning for the launch of a new electronic game and are considering selling this new game for a selling price of per unit of $99. It anticipates that the variable cost per unit will be what? $66. And the fixed costs attributable to this product are what? $495,000. The directors have not factored in any risks in their estimation of selling price and costs. What is the contribution sales ratio and its meaning? The contribution sales ratio is calculated by what? Subtracting the variable cost of sales from the sales revenue and dividing that number by the what? Sales revenue. Otherwise, it could be subtracting the variable cost per unit from the selling price per unit and dividing that figure by the selling price per unit. In this case, that comes out to the following. 99 is our what? Selling price per unit, so minus 66 from 99, because 66 is our what? Variable cost per unit. And when you get what? You get 33. I divide 33 by what? 99, because the you're dividing the contribution, um unit contribution. Remember? You're dividing the unit contribution margin by the what? Selling price per unit, which will give you a what? Contribution margin percentage, or contribution what? Sales ratio. Alright? This means that for every dollar sold, the company earns 33 extra cents. I believe in an answer below. The educator accidentally swapped the sales in the denominator with the variable costs, giving a higher contribution sales ratio, but the steps are the same. In that case, the company would break even when the sales tripled to fixed costs are at what? 1.5 million, which is 495,000 divided by what? 0.3 to give you 1.5 million. And this will be the correct version of it. Thank you for watching. Please do enjoy the rest of your day.